Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing good. Kamusta, kamusta? So, today, I'll just be grinding a bit of HSR before I sleep, cause why not? I'm desperate for Jades, kasi, yeah, here I am. I feel like I'll regret not sleeping ulit mamaya, pero, bahala na. What the fuck? Ay, shit. Paano ako makapunta dun? Ah! Wait, let's reset nga yung spin count. Eh? Paano ako mapunta dun? Ay. Wait. Wait. Do this. Hello, Abby. Hello. Good morning. And Duna, Wakadushima, welcome. Thank you for sharing the live. And thank you for the heart me. How are you? How's your morning? I hope you're doing good. Ano yan, Abby?
Anong ginagawa mo, Tizit? Like, what are you streaming right now? Okay lang, ano lang, bilat lang, bad trip talaga ako ngayon. And I said, gumising ako na 6 a.m. I slept at like 1 kasi nga, ewan ko yung insomnia ko, inaatake na naman ako. Like, I forced myself to sleep. Gumising ako ng 6, only to find out na wala palang pasok kasi hindi nag-announce yung maganda naming kaklase na may recollection sila. So ngayon, pumasok ako for nothing and canceled yung class. Ah! Hindi, ayoko na. Pasok ako later taekwondo class, pero that's it. Tapos mag-ano na lang ako, mag-serve sa school for my scholarship grant. Yes. Bad trip talaga ako. Oh my gosh, I wasted my time for nothing. All of this beautiful, beautiful sunscreen na sinayang ko sa skin ko, tas hindi lang pala na. Tas alam mo, I clutched it last minute kasi 'di ba gumising ako ng 5 kasi ginising ako ng magandang pusa ko. Tapos like ang ano pa din, like I still lack sleep. So nagpapalpitate pa din ako due to lack of sleep. So yung ginawa ko, natulog ako ulit. I alarmed at 7:30. So I woke up at 7:30. So I had only 30 minutes to prepare before ako pumunta ng class. Tapos eto yung mangyayari. Ay! Diyos me. Shibal dito mga pusang 'to, kami pa ako ginigising. Yes, very cute and very annoying at the same time. Ano, dinala ko yung mga pusa ko dito sa boarding house. Yes, my babies are here. Yeah, she's actually treating my cats like her very own child. She's actually suffering from loss sa unang pusa niya kasi namatay yung dalawang pusa niya. Tapos ayun, tas ano talaga siya, like she's very mahilig siya sa mga bata, sa mga animals, like she's a really, really sweet lady. Binigyan niya ako ng carbonara kahapon. Good morning, Ayu. Ano, sinistream mo ngayon at easy. Ayos lang. Miss ko na talaga makipagchikahan sa'yo at easy time. Ala siya. Hindi naman sa chismis na yung magsisira ng tao, grabe na yan. Wala na, matagal ko nagsimulan yun. Yung chismis na update ng life lang po. Hindi yung, hala, alam mo ba si ano, Diyos me, tigilan na yan. So ayaw. Bakit? What happened? Hala siya. Oh my gosh. Ano nga yung work mo, Ate Zed? Hala siya! Have you experienced Karens already? Yung, let me speak to your manager. I will report you to the police. Just little. May ano ako kasi, may kakilala ako na ano, na call center. Tas sabi niya na may nag-threaten daw sa kanya, nai-report siya sa police. Hindi nga alam ng tao kung ano yung name niya. So how are you gonna report it to the police? Like the empty threats. Just meh. Real though. Why people please when you can piss them off? Oh my guys. Makikiepal ako sa stream mo. Ikaw lang ba yung gumawa ng setup mo, Tized? Oh my gosh. Ala, by the way, Tized, yung YouTube model mo na yung naglalaro ka sa game console, yung, yung pixelated na chibi model mo. Nakuha ko na! Twinning na tayo, yes. Ala, batet. Ay. Oh my gosh. Like, talk to me about it. Like, I also need to do it kasi lang ang mahal. So, sabi ng kaibigan ko, instead na i-upgrade mo yung laptop mo, i-upgrade mo na lang, magbili ka na lang ng PC. Tapos sabi ko, that will take ages kasi kailangan ko pa ng work. Yeah, but yung bagong problem ko when it comes to ano kasi pag-graduate ko kasi ako yung magpapa ano like magpapaskwela sa mga kapatid ko. So like priorities first. Pero if i-allow ni Lord, why not coconut, 'di ba Lord? Ano meron sa Saturday? Hala! Oh my gosh. Saan ba yan? Saan ba yan? Sana all. Sige lang. Ang layo ko. I'm like 2 islands away. I have never been to Manila, not gonna lie. Yes, please. Yung pinaka ano ko, like, ano ba yan? Yung pinaka malayo ko na napuntahan na sa labas talaga ng land ko, sa Visayas lang hanggang Dumaguete. Tas apparently, sabi ng papa ko, nakapunta din daw ako ng Cebu nung baby ako, dinala daw niya ako. Kaya nga, sabi ko, hindi yan counted kasi hindi ko malala. Kasi originally, taga Cebu talaga sila. Like, he and his family. Tapos they moved to Pagadian. Kasi, kasi nga, like, nasawi yung parang second second to last na bunso nila or like pinakabunso talaga. They had a little sister pero namatay dahil sa bagyo, sa flood. Na-swept away sa baha. Nabitawan kasi daw ni nanay, which is lola ko. Tapos ayun yan, like, tapos dahil doon naglumipat sila sa Mindanao kasi daw less flood daw sa Mindanao tas hindi gaanong crowded and more bukid nun. So ayun. Tas that's the story of my life. And then my mother and father met. Yeah.
Cloudline. This stop is Penacony Exhibition Area. This is the terminal station. Please disembark in an orderly manner. Please mind the gap.
Ano din, sabi doon nila, ano, may, ano ba yun? Like, ano man tawag nun? Like, school trip daw? May school trip daw, field trip for psychology students wherein pupunta daw kami ng parts of the Philippines. Yung last daw na school trip was in Manila or something, I forgot. Basta ayun, like pumunta sila. Oo nga, what if? Like I'm old enough to like ano gala naman. So hala, sure ko talaga ang ano, ang pandak ko. Matangkad ka pa sa just me. Oh no! Oh my gosh. Oh no! Hala nga pala, naalala ko, may update ka kay Nix? Yes. Ay, may work na pala. Kaya pala. Kaya hindi na siya nag-i-stream. For real, nakakapagod talaga mag-work. Like, napapagod na nga ako trabaho sa ano, sa school. Kasi, kasi di ba, ano ako, like, scholar ako, so I'm a student assistant. So, yung kailangan kong gawin, mag-serve ako sa isang offices. And yung office na nilagay nila ako was human resources, which is, ano, like, good kasi related din siya sa course ko, ganon. Yung last kasi na inassign ako, like, supposed to be dun ako, pero nag-swap ako, like, nag-ask ako sa director na i-swap ako kasi yung hanap nila, ano, IT, hindi man ako IT, tas gusto nila na mag-encode ako and shiba. Like, sabi ko, I don't know how to encode. So, like, na ano ako. Talaga. Tas, like, how is that related to my course? So, like, nag-swap ako ng office. Tapos, napunta ako sa human resources. Yeah, but still, that's like far from Sa library kasi yung gagawin ko is mag-encode ako ng mga books na na kakadating lang para ma-record sila. That's like, so bale, I would be in a dark room in front of a screen. Like, it's really unhealthy for me considering that I'm trying to pursue a healthy lifestyle because our body is the temple of the Holy Spirit, diba? So, like, kasi, so gusto ko like a little bit more healthier na hindi ako nakaupo tas titig sa screen all day. Just me. So ngayon, yung ginagawa ko, nasa human resources ako, bale, yung ginagawa ko doon is nagsosort ng files, pumupunta sa mga ibang offices as a representative para maghatid ng mga files din. Like, all I handle are files, basically. And I have some interesting gossip. But I'm just gonna keep that to myself. Like, kasi while sorting files, I stumbled upon something na hindi ko sana dapat binasa. Pero the thing is, I was looking for his resignation letter. Pero wala siyang resignation letter. So, tapos ang kapal talaga ng folder niya. Like, it was so thick. Like, pwede na siya maging 2 libro like, you know the school books, kung gaano kanipis yung school books. Like, make it 2 or 3 of those. Ganun ka kapal talaga yung files niya. Then, hinahanap ko kasi yung resignation letter niya. So, of course, I have to, like, read through, like, skim through some of the files, trying to find the word resignation. Wala talaga. Pero what I found was, there was a student who complained about his very, very, may issue yung prof na yun, promise. And he also, like, discriminated a student. Hindi discriminate. Like parang humiliated, causing the student to have an asthma attack or something. Basta inatake yung estudyante after niyang pinahiya. Ganun. Very, and he was like political, pero yung sa kanya, it's political gossip wherein he was mocking a certain politician na pumasok daw sa hotel sa hometown pa talaga namin. Yeah. Like, yung politician na yun pumunta daw sa hotel sa hometown namin, tas sabi daw niya, quote on quote, may kasama daw guy, malandi daw yung politician na yun. Like, tas like, napasabi talaga ako na like, I agree with the students. Anong relevance ng topic na yon sa subject na mo na 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 dinidiscuss mo, like, na ano talaga ako, but like, I only skimmed through the first pa lang na paragraph talaga na like, nandun na talaga lahat ng information na, dear ganun ganyan ganyan professor, like, like, we would like to, like, like, ipataas yung complaint ng isang estudyante, blah blah blah, from the OSA. This is from the OSA's office, like, ganun. Like, oh my goodness, ang kapal ng files niya, and all of it were like copies of students. Ano? Ay,
Hello
nakamute kasi,
everyone!
nakamute kasi yung stream
I'm
ko.
sorry na ngayon lang ako nakapagsalita. I did not notice that I was mute for like 20 minutes. And
Nakamute
my
kasi
friend
yung stream
here
ko.
did not say anything. So, narinig lang ikaw, hindi yung mismong streamer.
Ay, sorry
Ang,
po, sorry po.
ang
Ay,
galing! Kaya pala parang hindi ako pinapansin ng sarili kong chat, visit. I apologize,
Talaga.
everyone.
Yung sabi lang kasi ni sino ba to? Ni isa mo na hindi ka daw niya marinig kasi nasa office, ay nasa campus siya.
So, kala ko naman kasi hindi niya talaga ako marinig dahil, like, maingay doon and whatnot. Ayun pala, hindi talaga
I
ako
didn't also
marinig.
know. I didn't also know kasi naka-mute ka sa akin kasi yung naka-on is yung call kasi I'm using my phone for the call and watching your stream. Nakahiga ako ngayon kasi pagod na talaga ako.
I mean, fair enough. Pagod din ako right now. Hello, John Rex. How are you?
What
Ay,
time nga yung
ko.
stream time, yung work time mo?
8 to 8 p.m. to 5 a.m.
Oh my gosh, 8 to 5. 8 p.m. to 5.
Oo.
Just may pangarap ng mga night owls.
True. I mean, okay siya sa akin kasi ngayon nga, nakita ko yung shit. Pero, nakakaano din. Kasi yun yung active time to yun yung gusto ko na may, basta sarili-sarili lang ganun.
Oh, fair. Kasi sa umaga, tulog ka eh. Like most of the time.
Oo.
Tapos sa gabi ka lang bumabawi with your lack of time. Pero ngayon, hindi na.
True. Asan ba tong chest na to, visit?
May chest ka pala.
Ayun. Okay, I got it.
May seal.
Di tayo ako makaget over na I've been talking 20 minutes tapos wala pala nakakarinig sa akin.
Wait, let me share your...
Hello, Haru Harushim.
Oh my gosh, ilang beses ko na pinatay yung streak namin. Wait lang.
Advancedly and fast, certified and fast. Hello, Sama Harushim. Sakit ng ilong ko. Excuse me.
Bless you. Nainis talaga ako sa mga pusang to. Diyos me. Tulog sa umaga, gising sa gabi.
Parang ako lang ha.
Nakakainis na kasi sa umaga, buong araw sila nakahiga. Tapos sa gabi pa sila talaga like takbo ng takbo kahit saan. Kagabi, hindi kagabi, like kaninang mga 5 a.m. nagising ako kasi yung rice cooker ko binagsak ng isang mabuting pusa ko.
Buti maayos pa.
Oo, kasi sinusubukan niyang kunin yung rice sa loob like
Quite impressed. Hello, DJ Zola. Harushim. Welcome. And Calciphylaxis. Harushim as well. Di pa rin ako makaget over, Abby? Imagine mo, dada ako ng dada dito tapos wala pa nakakarinig sa akin.
Oh, no.
Professional
Wala
streamer, by the way.
Ano to Z?
Professional streamer, by the way.
Oh no, wala na kami pang restore. Kasalanan ko talaga.
Sino yan?
Diyos me. Namatay yung streak namin ni Bigote.
Agay ka.
It was a 100-day streak too.
Hello, di mi na mahal. Agay, welcome to the stream. Oh. Wait. Wait lang.
Magagalit yun sa akin. Oh my god, we made a pact na kung sino yung papatay ng streak may consequence. I'm so cooked.
Hello, Alex Harushim. Welcome. Paano ba ako makakaano doon? Paano ako makabaliktad dito, boys? Huh.
You don't want me. You don't want me. I just you get myself. I'm so good. No.
Yun. Somehow that worked. Wala ka po, Kesha Konoshima. Hello, ingrown ni April. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Sadly, unbreak my heart. Say you love me again. Undo this hurt that you caused when you walked at the door. You walked out of my life. Uncry me still. Unbreak my heart. Hmm. Oh, ang dami naman ito, shoot. Wait, I think this is the last one.
The way you walk.
Ganito
The way
talaga,
you understand me.
ganito talaga pag ano, desperado sa ano, sa Jades, shoot. Just love me. Say that you love me. Tell me now. On promise. Say that you love me. Say that you love me. Um.
Di ba nag-promise ka sila?
Ha? Ano yan?
Nagkakaroon.
Yeah, bakit?
I can't use this.
Nasa stream kasi yung ano, yung music.
Oh.
Ay, shit. Ah, fuck.
Oh, yeah.
Go ang. Aha! Wag na nga, ayoko na nga.
Hirap naman yan.
Nice. Where's the chest na nakita ko? Nakamark dito. Ayun. Lay all your love on me.
Sino nga gumawa ng avatar mo, Tizel?
Ano yan?
Sino nga gumawa ng avatar mo?
Si Crispy.
Wow. Like, ito talaga yung ginagamit mo ngayon.
Ano?
Yung ginagamit mo ngayon?
Yeah.
Damn, how did she do na yung, ano yun, like, blinking?
Ano siya? GIF?
Oh,
All your love on me. Ay, shoot. All your love. At buwang.
oy.
Oh. Okay, got it. Ayoko, I saw some spikes. Ayoko nun. Ah, buwang. E.
Hirap naman yan, Tizel.
To be honest, hindi ko naman kailangan talaga kunin yung mga yung mga gold coins. Ang importante na sa akin yung chest, pero kinukuha ko na lang din. Your love on me. Oh, may chest pala dito. Tasting your emotions. Lay all your love on. Ah?
It's a really CMP.
Ano yan?
Nagkaklase ako na, na I think kamukha mo.
Eh?
I mean, like, hindi naman literal na kamukha kayo, pero like, ano din siya, she's the same as you.
Yan ba yung nakwento mo na sa akin dati? Or iba?
With your hairstyle, tas matangos din yung ilong niya, and you guys have the same body, you guys have the same skin. Like, oh
Oh.
my gosh, yung I think yung mata lang yung, and the fact that you have chubby cheeks. Yun lang yung difference.
Oh.
Yeah, you guys have the same hair length as well, haba yung buhok niya. Like, oh my gosh, like, she really reminds me of you. Like, every time I try looking at her.
I mean, to be fair, people already tell me na may mga kumukha ako and whatnot, so medyo sanay na din. Question mark?
Hala siya. Wala lang, miss lang talaga kita. Yee!
Ay.
But for real though, you're like one of the first friends talaga na meron ako dito on, in the streaming platform. And the longest one too.
Oo nga, no?
Like, ikaw yung pinakaunang friend na I made who's a streamer. Tapos, ikaw pa yung nagtagal sa lahat ng sunod.
Wala eh. May, alam mo naman nangyari nung una.
Na, yes.
Let's not, may, let's just say may, kontrabida.
talaga yung kontrabidot, is it?
Oh. Hello, IQ Makarashima. Welcome.
He still has the guts to like, pass by my stream.
Where?
Yes. Like siya sabi,
Norway.
ala, famous na siya, oh. Like sabi ko, so, yung sarap sagutin.
I think I saw him stream one time.
I already blocked him.
Wait lang.
Just, talaga.
Ahem. Better to believe I think. Yeah. There's not to be a way. Nothing but this human race. Huh? Wait. A child. Saan yung isa pa? Ah, here. Mission and solo. Hello, mashed potato. Welcome to stream. And Adra, welcome to stream as well. Wait lang. Oh! Dapat na wala yung mga sinave kong stickers, shoot. Hi. Hello, Kuneho. Welcome to stream. Welcome.
Yes, siya. Ito mga pusa nito. Buisit talaga itong mga pusa to.
Hello, Wave. Welcome to stream. Welcome. To answer your question, I am awake. Wait. There. I replied to your DM. Oh, yeah. Ay, baliktad pala. Ah! Get back. How do I get there? Okay. Let's not be part. What becomes of the broken hearted? Little of the how departed. I just want to find some other place to find. Let's see. Anong oras na? 8:50? I'm not sure kung anong oras ako mag-end ng stream eh.
mo na din hindi nakapag-stream.
Oh?
Medyo matagal-tagal.
I did a 7-hour stream kahapon.
Ay, wait.
Oh.
What's going on?
As much as possible, I try to do streams on weekends.
Ay, nagsimba.
I'll be parted until the top to find from powers we survive. There we be. Huh. Ay, shit! Magpas pa nga. Ayun. Ay, just go. Hello, Kama. Wakarushima. Welcome. Three. Stop it. What becomes of the broken hearted? Ah. Bells of the holy time. Hello, A. Wakarushima. Welcome. And Sunlight. Wakarushima. Welcome. Uh-huh. Broken-hearted. Di ko alam kung papabuti ka ba ng 2 hours yung stream ko or hindi. Shoot,
Stream ka naman matagal.
La.
Share lang. Ano pa na pahinga? You need rest too.
Uh-huh.
And speaking of TZ, kumusta yung work? Like, how is work treating you?
Surprisingly, it's not toxic. Yung environment, people are friendly there actually.
Yung customer lang.
Oo. Panira lang talaga ng araw yung mga customer.
I'm so happy for you what you did.
Thank you so much.
Pero ano, are you willing to stay longer in this job or you're gonna find better ones in the future?
Hindi ko rin alam. So far, hindi ko muna masyado iniisip kasi although ang problema ko lang talaga dito is yung pay.
Oh.
Hello, Min. Wakarushim. Welcome. Good morning. How are you? How's your morning? I hope you're doing good. Kasi, to be honest, ayun nga, maganda yung, what you call that? Yung, environment. Yung light work, ayun, yung work is light siya compared sa ibang accounts. But, ang problema lang doon is, we take like what? 60 calls? Umabot ng 60 calls kami per day. Although on average, mga 30, 40, ganun. Ah, shit. Ay, buwang. bad about you always. Want to think about it. Consider this never time. Tonight the super trooper lights are gonna find me shining like the sun. Having fun, feeling like the number one. I should the trooper lights is gonna find me, but I won't feel blue like I always do. There's somewhere in the crowd there's you. So I'll be there when you arrive. Easily I'm still alive and you'll make it around. And hold it tight. Shit. Paano ko makukuha yung chest dun? Hindi. Hindi din. Hmm. Ayun. There we go. And that's a number one. Okay, there we go. Saan ba yun? Or hindi ko pa ata ito nakakompleto eh.
Aray ko.
Hello, Business Water Shima, welcome. To you. Ooh, ooh. Ay, mali pala. Me in your arms and keep me safe from harm. I wanna run to you. I will come to you. Tell me, will you stay? Will you run away? Hello, Ali. Welcome to Shima, welcome. Tell me, what does it mean? I wanna run to you. But if I come to you, and keep me safe from harm, I wanna run to you. But if I come to you, I shit. Mas ko layo palang inikot. Ah! Wait. Actually, doon lang din pala yung daan ko. Kala ko naman may iba pa. Hello, next order, Shimakaka. Agay, agay, agay. Wipe away my tears. Take away my dreams. To you. Ooh. Verses hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm. I run to you. But if I come to you, say, will you run away? Ah. Hello, Yukine. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. How are you? How's your morning? I hope you're doing good. Thank you thank you for sharing. Thank you so much, and thank you for liking as well. How are you? How have you been? Mm. Living in. Hello, ito tapos na kumain. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. We shall all eat breakfast. 5 minutes ago. Hello, Abby. Welcome back. E!
Hello, Abby. Welcome back.
Ha?
Sabi mo, hello, Abby. Welcome back.
Oo nga.
Nandito na talaga ako nakikinig sa'yo.
Hindi ka kasi nagsasalita, kaya hindi ko alam.
Yung pusakal kasi, Diyos me, kakalinis ko lang ng ano nila, ng pupo area nila. Dinumihan na naman. Ibal talaga itong mga pusang to.
Agay.
Tapos eager na ako na dumating yung, ano yun, yung sand mat.
What do you mean?
Kasi, di ba, like, we use cat sand para sa pupo area nila.
Ah, yung litter? Yun ba?
Litter pad pala, litter pad. Yung sumasalo ng sand,
Oo.
pag lumalabas sila sa sandpit nila. Kakainis na talaga itong mga puso. na.
Hello, yung Jane Otter Shima. Welcome.
Tapos alam mo ba yung lalagyan ko, yung basket na lalagyan ko ng underwear, ginawa nilang may bakayan, doon sila natutulog. Diyos me.
Ah, shit. Ano ba to? Ayun. Hello, Anna Face Otter Shima. Welcome.
Ilalagay ko.
Okay, got this done. Saan it is? Ah, dito. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Hello, Ahmad Zaki. Welcome to stream ako. Welcome. Good morning. Ay, Diyos ko. Papasok na naman ako mamaya.
Kaya mo yan, Tizet.
Katamad. Gusto ko na mag-Saturday.
Ay, wait. Wala kang, day off mo Saturday?
Yes, tapos ano din. Punta ako ng Koyo Fest na din.
Ay, oo nga pala. Hello!
Hello, Ahmad Zaki. Welcome to stream. How are you? How's your morning? Hope you're doing good. Oh, Abby. 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 Abby, ansyan ka pa ba?
Ito mga pusong tag na.
Saan pa ba may ano? Sa taas? Pam, 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 pam. There's another Yaguang here? Is this the real Yaguang ba or fake Yaguang? Yep, fake Yaguang. Hello, last Sexlo. Welcome to stream ako. Welcome.
Your downfall is absolute.
Oh, I'm sleepy. Shit. Baka mag 1.5 hour stream na lang ako. Hello, Kuya Miggy. Welcome to stream ako. Welcome. Good morning. Is it plunger? Hindi. Help up pala. There we go. Hello, Kuya Midori. Welcome to stream ako. Welcome. And Miserable. Welcome to stream as well. Wait lang. Oh, no, wait. Oh, there we go. Hello, Teji. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Ah, shit. Hello, Gats. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. And Cantirella. Welcome to the stream as well. Eee! Oh, this is trippy as fuck. Hello, Ashi. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. It's alright. Let it fill your heart tonight. Even try to resist, but the heart's under kiss. But you know that you're dang that the moonlight light in the dark. To surrender your heart. But you know that you're like that the moonlight. No, we can't fight it. It's gotta get to your heart. Parang naging karaoke stream na lang ako, ah.
Para upstream.
Underneath the starlight, starlight. Hopes in the tables alright. Till you tell your heart tonight. To resist. Kala ko naman may kailangan pang anuhin dun. Lupa. But you know that you're the the moonlight deep in the dark. You surrender your heart. But you know that you're the moonlight. No, you can't fight it. No, you know what to do. To go this zone and get to you. Hello, Ava Hiroshima. Welcome. Alright. Till the magical feeling's alright. Till you feel your heart tonight. You can try. Hello, Cavs on Hiroshima. Welcome. Shit. Hello, Baba Blight. Welcome to Hiroshima. Welcome. Cause I'm just gonna live your life. All that I did and not as fortunate ones. The girls that wanna have fun. Girls just wanna have fun. What's the matter with you girls? Just wanna have fun now. It's unfair. When the wanna have fun now. Hello, Talski. Welcome to Shima. Welcome. Hey now. Wonder now. The one. What's the matter with you girls? Just wanna have fun now. Hey now. What's the matter with you girls? Just wanna have fun now. Ah, wait, what? Wait a minute. Huh. Ah, shit. Baka na din yan. Ah, shit.
Diba?
Ah, shit. Ah, buang.
Diba?
Ano yan, be?
Ay, pusa ako.
Ah, wait lang. We're living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material girl, and I am a material world. Saan yun? Not there. Floor 2. Thing in a material world. Material. Living in a material world. Huh. Where is it? Hello, Extrovert Burger, Bakarushi, welcome. How are you? How's your morning? I hope you're doing good. Kamusta, kamusta? And I am a material world. I think I got all of the what you call that? All of the treasures na in a material world. Been in a material world. Been in a material world. How's Eddie doing good naman? Currently in the office, hoping you're doing well then. Eto, after ito, I'm gonna sleep na since I got home from work kanina. Been in a material world. Been in a material world. Claim the assignments. Go on. Leave me breathless. Oh, graveyard shift. Yep. I am a call center agent. Ngayon. yeah. Kailangan pa ba akong ano yun dito? Ito lang naman eh. When it comes to Jades, oh, I think okay na ako. Rest well after Steam. Thank you so much. No worries. Also, you get lots of rest then, huh? Everyone needs a lot of rest, okay? From you I cannot hide. I'm losing, yeah. Will do. Okay, that's good to hear. Oh, go on. Come on, leave me breathless, tag me, tease me. You know what? I'll do one simulated universe, more specifically in DLC. Come on, go on. Yeah, come on. Ba-bam, yeah. Ba-dum. Okay, I need to do this as well. You know what? I'll do this na lang. So go on. Come on, leave me breathless, tag me, tease me. Jump right and deny this loving feeling. I need long for your kiss. Go on. Yeah. Bam, bam, bam. Ba-dam, dam, 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 Ahem. Then, i-auto battle ko na lang tomato. Ah, tayo naman ult mo. So go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Take me, tease me. Like night when we night this loving feeling. I feel long for your kiss. Go on, go on. Leave me breathless. Take me, go on.
My
Tapos kakanta na
pearls
ako ng kanta, visit.
dragon soaring above the land. This is permanent.
Pati paano gusto ko mag-aircon mamaya, pero at the same time, ayoko. Kasi gusto ko na sa thrilling kwarto lang ako.
My strength isn't what it was.
If all is black,
I'll overcome the thorn. Now farewell. No other choice. Future will come.
There is no hesitation to dream about you all the time. In my mind, a celebration, the sweetest of sensation, thinking you could be mine. In my imagination, there is no hesitation. Ay, putex. Kanta na ako ng kanta, visit. I'm down in love with you, and I'm in love with you. I can be so lucky, 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 lucky. I should be so lucky in love. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I should be so lucky in love. Only make believe. Hello, Sayuri. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I hope you're doing good right now. It's not a Sunday weekend, and I don't know the weekend. You'll be mine. I'm dreaming. I fell in love with me, and I'm in love with you. Should be so lucky, 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 lucky. I should be so lucky, 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 lucky. I should be so lucky in love. Oh. After talaga na matutulog na ako. Pero I think sasaktong ata ako na ano, na 2 hours dito. I think, or almost 2 hours.
step onto the floor.
Remedy is before me. Existence is of no consequence. Tomorrow. We have the edge.
Victory now rests in a bloody fight.
No other choice but forward.
Wait lang. Should be so lucky, lucky, lucky. Please, Kane. Ayun. Kala ko hindi siya magkakaano. Skill point. Should be so lucky, 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 lucky. I should be so lucky now.
My childhood musings, huh? So naive.
Hello, Cornflake. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Good morning. Okay, first boss. Imaginary weakness or quantum? Imaginary na lang.
That looks like a tough one. Let me test the waters first.
Uh,
A will,
A direct defense.
a day,
oh,
the dawn.
I'm I'm getting sleepy na.
Flaming beast.
Dragon soaring above the land. This is permanent.
To the defeated, your downfall
Oh,
is
it's absolute.
Mortal, watch over you.
God, you on your path.
If all is black or white, then press the attack.
No other choice but forward. Future will come. Trinity is before me. Tomorrow.
Hello, Cornflake. Welcome back.
Flailing beast.
Si Sidra palaging ano, target. That pala ano? Hunt na lang pala yung inano ko. KE1. One. Hello, Hoshin. So, Hanushima, welcome. Day has come and you ano na ginagawa mo ngayon, Abby?
Na-release ng room for the third time.
Ah,
Shival talaga itong mga pusang to.
pero mahal mo sila.
Yes, I love them so much. Ang sarap nilang kagatin.
Cuteness aggression.
Yes. Cuteness tsaka aggression talaga na naiinis. Pahamak talaga na.
The eyes of a bomb. Hush, now I see the light in the sky. Oh, it's someone's blinding me.
To the defeat, your downfall is absolute. Press the attack.
Seeking doubt farewell. Existence is no constant. Future will come. My purpose is to protect.
Victory now rests in my.
Nakita mo na ba sila, Tizen?
Not yet, I think.
If all is black or white, there can be no
Soaring above
chance.
the land. This is permanent.
Fight for me.
We have the edge. No other choice but forward.
Sundan kita ng picture.
Go lang. Hello, Naxarian. Welcome back to your stream. Sorry, hindi kita na-greet kanina. But good morning. Hindi, yung ano, viewer. Yako. Hello, hello. Good morning.
Ayan o. Yung
Wait.
dalawang mga shibal.
Wait. Ang cute. Wait lang. Asan yung ano ko? I'm just doing ano? Just doing... Ano ka ba to? Golden Gears. Baka sakaling magka-progress ako kahit papano. More specifically, Jades. Pero still. Hello, Body Cannon is real. Kanushima, welcome. Wow, wow, wow. Ooh.
A direct defense.
A day lighter than dawn.
Step onto the board.
Oh.
Wala na, inaantok na talaga siya.
Kaya na pa talaga.
To the defeated, your downfall is absolute.
God, you on your path.
A bloody fight.
Trinity is before me. Future
Yun, sakto.
By the way, Tizen, malapit na yung ano ko, on-cam butler suit.
Ooh, nice! Kailan yun? Sana maka-ano ko.
Credit, credit sa'yo kasi na-inspire.
Wow!
Or literal, dahil talaga sa'yo. Tapos kay Kelly. But ano, kasi sabi nila na, ay, Abby, what if Mark? Wala pa. Sabi
Napaniwala ka
nila na, what if
naman.
Mark?
Nagpadimonyo ka.
Ay, ano kasi Tizen, ang tawag dito. Di ba nag-made outfit ka, tapos nag-made outfit si Kelly, tapos si Ren, sabi niya na, Uy, Abby, what if mag-made outfit ka ako sponsor? Tapos sabi ko, heck no. Sabi ko, kung mag-sponsor ka man ng sustain, siguraduhin mo naman na, na butler na lang. Kasi,
Mm,
ayoko talaga.
bakit? Hello, Tapuro Wakadurshima. Welcome. Good morning.
I mean, for practical reasons, like, yung butler outfit, magagamit ko yun, for example, may distance kami, I can use the suit for professionalism. Di ba?
Fair
Ang
enough.
gagawa ko, hindi. Magsaserve dito sa landlady ko.
Same.
Pero ayan, just for practical
The
reasons,
pieces
mas inclined ako sa
finally
butler. At isa
fit.
pa,
Oh
ano
my
din
gosh,
yung,
hindi pala naririnig yung music ko, Bisit.
yun nga yung sabi ko sa iyo from the kanina pa.
Kala
Sabi
ko,
ko, nagpapamusic ka ba, Tizosh? Hindi ko naririnig. So sabi ka, nasa stream yung music. So sabi ko, okay.
and you didn't even clarify. Fuck
Wala lang.
you. Kala ko yung nag-rise up sa, sa OBS quiz browser, Discord ko pala. All I ever needed. Baby, you're the one.
Tapos alam mo ba, Tizet, di ba, sabi ko na willing-willy yung landlady namin sa pusa ko.
Oh.
Ano, binigyan niya kami ng katsan, tapos yung shampoo ng mga
Andyan
pusa
na.
niya dati, binigay din niya sa amin. Tapos binigyan din niya ng towel yung mga pusa ko, pati laruan.
Nice. Na para bang ninang.
Oo, ninang material talaga si auntie.
Let's text and love no longer gel. Oh. So reaching in this time is gain. To the rocks along the beach.
Ay,
And
kasi
seas
gusto
if
pala ng sundan ko.
we're in the water. A long lost heartbeat left in three. All I ever needed was the one that freedom's to use that our hope is on. Just a lad like you and I. So shadows that us all I ever needed. Baby, you're the one. Hello, Arrow. Wakarushima. Welcome. I needed was the one. Like Phyllis feels that our hope is run. The stars collide like you and I. The shadows block us all. Oh, all I ever needed. Baby, you're the one. Was the one.
Looks like a tough one.
Freedom feels that our hope is gone. Our stars collide.
Soaring above the land. This is permanent.
Oh, oh, all I ever needed. yun. Ay, Abby, Abby. Abby, you there ba? Baka may ginagawa.
This mortal form. Watch over you. Guide you on your path. Future will come.
Propagation. Ay, Diyos ko, Danhang, ba't mo, unti na lang matitigok ka na, Diyos ko.
Sorry, bumaba man ako sa Get at Visit, tapos kinausap ko si Madam Landlady.
Go lang. Ano ba sabihin ko? Ayun. I want to start, I want to start this Minecraft server all over again.
Ay, hindi mo na ibabalik yung dating server?
Parang hindi ko na nga ito ma-recover eh.
Bakit? May nangyari ba?
Avi, it's been a year.
Tapos,
I doubt na naka-save pa rin sa system nila yun.
ay, hindi ko kasi get paano gumana yung ganyan-ganyanan. So,
No other choice but
Defeated.
forward.
Your downfall is absolute.
Ah.
Overcome the thorn. Doubt farewell. Future will come. This mortal. Watch over you. Guide you on your path.
Victory now rests in my hand.
I don't know that loves me. How does it fire?
Diyos me, yung tulog ko, yung masarap na tulog ko, naistorbo, tas wala lang palang pasok.
Hmm.
Hindi pa din ako makakabay.
Okay lang yan, Abby.
Sabi kasi ni Lord sa akin na walang pasok. Kasi like sabi ko na imposible talaga na may pasok. Tapos like sabi ko ni Lord na, Lord, saan naman ang pasok? O, wala nga pasok pero pumunta pa din ako. Kasi nagano kasi ako kay Lord kagabi, like sabi ko, Lord, saan naman ang pasok sa umaga, Lord? Kasi Lord, collection naman ng mga kaklase ko. I'm sure na wala talaga. Like, wala talaga, alam ko, pero pumasok pa din ako kasi good student daw. Tapos literal, nung pag-akyat ko pa sa hagdanan, nag-meet kami ng prof ko, tapos sabi niya canceled yung pasok kasi walang estudyante ni isa sa loob ng classroom daw. Sabi ko,
Diyos ko.
Steven! Tapos alam mo, nasa third floor na ako, nung time na yon na. Staircases and everything.
Love me. Have such a thought. I don't love until then. Thank you for like a live, Abby. Thank you.
Magla-like na lang kasi walang magawa. Tapos na ako maglinis.
Palapit na din ako matapos dito. Makakaiga na din ako.
Ay wait, yung ano mo, yung work from home lang ba?
No.
Kailangan ka talaga pumunta sa office. Alright.
Yes, so. Yung commute, nakakapagod yung commute eh.
Trot talaga. Ako nga naglalakad lang, pagod na.
Ako, may commute tapos lakad pa para makatipid.
Aray ko. Okay lang yan, TZ exercise.
Tapos pagdating ko sa office, hulas na ako. I will. I know the feeling.
My strength isn't what it was. Earth shatters, heaven trembles. Dragons soaring above the land.
This is
Bang!
permanent.
Anong mata ko?
If all is black or white, step onto the board. To the defeated, your downfall
Well,
is
it's absolute.
Now farewell. No other choice but tomorrow. Finish the move. Future will come. My purpose is to protect.
Nice.
Omsin.
Bakit?
Lumagpas na ako. Supposed to be 1K lang, naging 1.2 na.
Yung...
Yung
Ah,
ano,
thank you for the heart,
yung like,
May Abby. Ah, okay lang yun, Diyos ko. When you lost a part of me, it's so hard to believe. Come back, baby, please, 'cause we belong together. There's nobody there, so baby, baby, we belong together.
welcome Sean sa pumasok.
Huh?
May, ano, nag-welcome ako na viewer mo.
Ah,
Hindi.
A will.
a direct defensive. Step onto the board.
Gawa ka na bago Minecraft server said doon na ako magiging active. Shiba lang may issue talaga sa lahat ng servers na pinapasukan ko.
magiging problem ko naman kasi dun is, ano, ako naman yung hindi magiging active.
Na. Okay lang, si Kisake lang yung
Di na nga masyadong ano, buwibisita si Kisaki.
Press the attack.
sa bagay. Busy na sa asawa niya.
Downfall.
Kasal na ba sila?
I don't know. Actually.
Alam ko they're planning.
Si asawa na yan, diretso.
Oh, baby, baby, we belong together, baby. When you lost a
Nakita ko yung
part.
tribute ni Kuya na ano, ni Kuya Ren sa ano niya, sa very pretty wife niya.
Matagal ko nang alam yung ano, yung kay Soren.
Kaya nga, si Kuya Soren yung ano niya, yung asawa niya. Ang ganda! Ang ganda
Hmm.
ng asawa niya.
Not together.
Grabe. Ang gwapo talaga ni ano, ni HSR na ano, Hilux.
HSRD, look. Ah, si Argenti.
Yes. Pogi talaga niya. Dinowngrade si Dilok.
I love Diluc pero true.
Grabe, ang ganda ng mga, wala man ng update kay Dilok talaga, nakakainis. Ang pangit ng buhok niya, parang si Dilok talaga yung, ano, yung parang inabuso talaga ng character sa lahat ng character. Just me. Even Kaya, who's a 4-star, has better hair than him. Ano ba?
The fact na madali lang maayos yun, which is high ponytail lang.
Ayaw, may skin na pala siya. Pero still, hindi pa din, ang pangit pa din ng bangs niya, Diyos me. Ang gwapo niya sa mga ano niya, sa manga, sa official manga ng ano, sa official comics ng Genshin. Tapos, this is how they do look. Even sa mga ano niya, yung mga story something niya,
Let me be the last. What's your blood to me? Don't you think to tell yourself on that direction? Break me to me now. Don't let me be the last. Don't let me be the last. Ilan na jades ko? 1, 2. I need more. Okay guys, I shall be going na. At ako'y inaantok na. Para
Saying,
mag-read up pa ako nito while habang nakiga. Okay, so everyone,
na.
thank you to everyone who tambay here tonight, lalo ka na Abby. It's been a while and I missed you. So, yeah. Thank you to everyone who liked, everyone who shared, everyone who followed, and everyone who gifted. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all of the support. I hope all of you have a hindi good night sleep, a good day ahead, and a good meal ahead as well. A good brunch ahead. Okay. So, bye bye everyone. Bye bye.